All right, everybody, I just clicked live. We're now live. This is Papa Texas Live. Ask me questions. I'm gonna answer 5 questions from the people over here on the side. I got my tablet and I can see who comes in the room. There's already a few people already in here. And I'm gonna answer 5 questions, then we'll get off of here. It's like that. Bam! Yes! All right. We already got Steve Robb Reviews. He's already in the room. Booger 500 US. Strong's Adventures is in here, and Barbecue Pit Dog, and Rob Painless. Yeah, we'll get a few more in here. We're gonna answer 5 questions that they will ask, and we'll move on, and we'll enjoy the rest of the weekend without Papa. Hey, there's Rex Lone Star Rider. Yep. Good to see you. Rhonda, Strong's Adventures just came in. Red Alert Crafts, good to see you. Oh, look at that, C-Dub's Journey. You know, there's a couple people in here I'm fixing to meet up with and camp out with next month. That's gonna be awesome. That's right. Texas Bow Hunter, that'd be Jake. Yes, I've met a few people that are in here already. Yeah. Look here next, Harmon Heat. You like hot sauce? The Harmon Heat is your man. They have a blast over there on that channel. It'd be awesome. Look at that! Uncle Steve Shake just showed up. Imagine that. All right, let's get into this. Somebody, y'all are all over the place here. Right now, starting now. There's been a lot of questions asked. Start right now. The next question asked gets answered. All right, Steve Robb, got you. All right, what is your favorite thing to cook on? My Weber kettle, of course. That's my #1, and I like offset cooking. But that's my #1 cooker. It really is. All right, let's move on. I'll tell you when to post that. Hang on, y'all, hang on. Hang on. Trees Are Blowing just came in. Awesome, man. If you're not on, okay, go to Instagram and just type in the one word, Trees Are Blowing. He has some pretty cool Instagram pictures he puts out. They're hilarious. They really are. Yeah. All right. Oh, Strong's Adventures. That'd be Billy. We'll be meeting up next month. He's asking, are you bringing some Uncle Steve Shake to Lollapalooza 2019 next month? Of course I am. He sent me 40-something bottles to give out. And that stuff is awesome. If you like to cook, Uncle Steve Shake is where it's at. I promise you. Just, you know what? He has a YouTube channel, but he's on here right now. He's over there in the chats saying some stuff to people. But let me tell you this. Just on a search panel on YouTube, put in Uncle Steve Shake or pound Uncle Steve Shake, however you want to do it, and see what happens. There's a lot of people out there talking about his rub and how good they are. They're $5 a piece. They're fantastic. My main one, well, actually, I mean, I use, on thick meat, yes. The thick meat, you would use the peppery thick meat. But my main ones I do use the original a lot. I use Gator Shake the most, and spicier. I do use that one, but the original and Gator Shake are the best for me. All right, let's move on. Let's go to another question here. Oh, look. RV Rebel Girl just came in here. Guess what? Okay, so Strong's Adventures is in here, and Billy and Rhonda are staying on one side, camping over here. I'm here, and RV Rebel Girl is here. It's the Buzz. Yeah. Oh, Texas Bow Hunter. He just asked, when was the last time you cooked indoors? Besides Chex Mix one year when it was real cold, over 20 years that I have not cooked indoors. That's right, that's Gigi's. I get in trouble. Wait till you. I broke one of her bowls. She doesn't know it yet. What do I do? It wasn't a cheap bowl either. I'm not allowed to cook inside. I'm supposed to have my own cooking equipment out here and cook out here. I got 20-something cookers. You just don't see me cooking on them all, but I'm always cooking out here 24/7 or year round, let's say. Usually, no matter how cold or hot it is, I'm out here, and a lot of times, depending on the weather, I can get the cook done, but I can't make a video with it. Plus, I want the video about the cook, if I'm gonna make one on YouTube, to be something special, not just, here's another hot dog, I'll put a little mustard on it, yeah. Grizzly Taco, that's Ed, over there in Las Vegas. Yeah, his daughter just went off to college. Yeah, he's gotta get used to that, you know? Yeah. What's up, Ed? Radiologist? Yeah. Question? Next person send me a question. I know there's a bunch that have been going by. It's flying by. I am sorry. Here we go. Red Alerts Crafts. What kind of music do you listen to? He's actually going to the meetup next month also. Mainly, my biggest and mainly is country. Well, it's red dirt, twangy. I love twangy music. If you watch my other channel, when I talk about stuff, in the background, a lot of times I play music in the background that's going off my Pandora. That's the kind of music I listen to. And people actually comment about the music I'm playing. Well, I don't have any ads over there or anything. I do what I want. I listen to my music. Yes, I do. Yeah. All right. Oh, Dan's Outdoor Cooking just came in. If you like Dutch oven cooking, Dan's Outdoor Cooking, Strong's Adventures, y'all need to go see them if you really like that stuff. All right. One more question will be number 5, I believe. And then we'll be off of here. I do not know how long this video is. This will be a replay, and we'll get it out there. The last one. Boom, there it is. Harmon Heat. Why do you not like hot sauce? It's not that I don't like hot sauce. Hot sauce don't like me. That's right. I didn't grow up having it. I actually do eat a little more spicier in today's world than I did in the past, but I have limits. You don't have no limits, Justin. Justine. No, that didn't sound right. Justin. There's an E in there. All right. That's what I have. That was 5 questions. We're going to get off of this. I told you that's all I'm going to do. It's Papa. I appreciate everybody coming over here. If I missed your name, I really appreciate. All right. Can't change a live. If I miss calling your channel out when you came across, I am so sorry. That sucker's running through there. I got a lot of moderators helping me out. Everything went fine. No problems. It's Papa. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Yeah, the Big W made me that. Why wasn't he here? Yeah. See y'all.